You can create a Python web app in a few clicks. So first you need this dashboard. You can use the link below to sign up. And once you are here, you can click on Web Apps here and click Open Web tab. From there, it's very easy to create your new web app. You can click Add a new web app. And you'll see this little wizard. It will take you through a wizard. Click Next. Then you can choose a framework. It's a building block for making your web app. And there are several frameworks for Python for building web apps. There's Django, which is the most popular. Flask, also very popular. There's some others, smaller ones, Web2Py, Bottle, and you can also do a manual one. So let's go with Flask and select a framework and Python version. Now, unless you have a specific reason to do so, just pick the latest version always. And then the directory where your program should be. So I'm gonna name it hello. And I'm okay with the default name. You'll see .py here. Click Next. Once that's done, actually creating the web app for you now. You'll see now we have the web app and we have the URL on top. If we click on that, you'll see it says hello from Flask. So we have a basic web app now. That web app just shows a simple text output. You can take a look at the code for that. If you go to this directory, you'll see it says here code, what your site is running. And if you click on go to directory and click on that file, you'll actually see this is the app. So it loads Flask from the Python module. It initializes Flask. Then we have a route. A route is the URL, the web URL, in this case slash, that maps to a Python function. So when the slash is called, so slash is the default extension here, the default route slash, then it returns this text. You see hello from Flask. Now, of course, we can modify this. And we can save it. Now, it might take a moment for it to upgrade. You'll see the text is still the same. So you'll have to click reload. And once you click reload and click refresh, you'll see your text actually updated. Now you can create multiple routes. As I explained before, a route is any URL mapping to a function. So we can copy this, paste it, and change the text into what you want. Then save it. Go back to the setup, click reload. And notice that the function name here is the same, so that's not okay. We need to change the function name. Function name should be unique, as well as the routes. That should be unique names. So save it again. And click reload. Now that takes a moment or so. And once it's reloaded, we can open the same route, but we also have a new route, the /Python route. So if we open that route, you'll see now it shows the other output of that function. So this is a very simple web app in Python Flask.